Hi guys, so today we'll be solving grade 12 November 2025 paper 1. So first question, the question says calculate the value of x and y if x is the sum of 2 and y. And the second statement says if 5 times the product of x and y is 6 more than the square of x. So this is simultaneous word problem, guys. It's very simple. So first statement says x is the sum of 2 and 1. What does sum mean, guys? We have to understand that sum is the addition. So this simply means x is equals to sum of 2 and y, which is 2 plus y, right guys? So this would be your first statement. And the second statement says 5 times the product of x and y. So 5 times the product of x and y. What does that mean? Product is multiplication, so it means it's 5 times multiplication between x and y. So this is the same as 5x y, because it's 5 times x times y. You see guys, this equals to, they say is 6 more than the square of x. So it means it's 6 more than the square of x. It was very simple, guys. Equation 2, guys. So now you just have to come and sub equation 1 into equation 2. That means from equation 2, everywhere where we have x, we're going to replace it with 2 plus y, guys. So it means we're going to have 5, since we have x here, it's going to be 5 times 2 plus y times y equals to 6 plus x squared. Then it's going to be 2 plus y all squared. Right guys, we can just come and rewrite this as 5y into 2 plus y equals to 6 plus, just expand this bracket here, it's going to be 6 plus 2y plus 2y. Then we're going to have 5y times 2, which is 10y. Then 5y times y is going to be 5y squared, right guys? All these equals to 6 plus 2 times 2, guys, is going to be 4. Then 2 times y, we're going to have plus 2y. Then 2y times 2, we're going to have plus 2y again. Then y times y, we're going to have plus y squared. Then let's just solve. Let's just add the like terms on the both sides. So on the left hand side, we don't have the like terms. So here we have 6 plus 4, which is going to give us 10 plus 2y plus 2y, which is going to give us 4y, and then plus y squared. Right guys? So we can actually take everything from the right hand side to the left hand side. So we're going to rewrite these. Sorry guys, but we're going to rewrite these as 5y squared minus y squared. This y squared is this y coming this side, and then plus our 10y there, 10y. Then this this positive 4y, when it goes that side, is going to be minus 4y. Then 10 when it goes that side, it's going to be minus 10. All this equals to 0. Alright guys, that was very simple. Then now we have 5y squared minus y squared, which is going to be 4y squared. Then we have 10y minus 4y, which is going to be plus 6y minus 10. All these equals to 0. So if you can see, all these terms are divisible by 2, so you can just come and divide everything by 2. 2, divide everything by 2, you're going to have 2y squared plus 3y minus 5. So to find factors of these, you can either use perfect square or you can use the quadratic formula, which says x In this case, it's going to be y equals to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac, all this divided by 2a. So it's going to be y equals to minus b, which is 3 plus or minus root of 3 squared minus 4a, which is 2, and c, which is negative 5. Okay, all these divided by 2a, and then our a is 2. Then you just punch this when you calculate and you tell me what you got. So when I punch this on my calculator, guys, I got y equals to 1. I got y equating to 1, or y equating to negative 5 over 2. So this means our factors, since y equals to 1, we're going to have y plus 1, y minus 1, since it's positive, so it means inside the brackets it has to be negative. Then we have y equals to negative 5 over 2. It means this one is going to be written as 2y plus 5, since it's negative that side, guys. So you're going to have y minus 1 equals to 0, or 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Then we solve now. So we're going to take negative 1 to the right hand side. We're going to be left with y equating to 1, or 2y equating to, when we take 5 to the right hand side is going to be negative 5. We divide both sides by 2. We're going to be left with y equating to negative 5 over 2. You see, guys, we go back to the answers that we got from our quadratic equation. So now we have y values. Remember, the question says calculate the values of x and y. So now you have y values, you are left with x values. But you have equation 1 that says x is equals to 2 plus y. So it means to get x, you just have to put y as 1 and y as negative 5 over 2. So firstly, let's get x when y is equals to 1. So plus 1. We're going to have x equating to 3, or let's get x when y is equals to negative 5 over 2. So we're going to have x plus negative 5 over 2. Let's just punch that on the calculator. It's going to be 2 plus minus 5 over 2, which is the same as negative 1 over 2. Thank you, guys.